Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to check which application of program using high memory. So click on start, type here task manager, open task manager. Now here guys you can check which application is using so much memory in your Windows. So we can see here this in second tab. In my case just now Google Chrome is using high memory about 69%. So it's maximum use of this Windows memory by Chrome browser. Now expand here you can check, and if you see unknown Chrome browser, so right click on it and click on end task. Like this. So this is the easy way guys to check high memory uses in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.